Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Today we're doing laundry. Today I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt. I got a couple different ways to fold shirts. Maybe you're getting ready to go to college or you're out on your own now and you got to fold your own clothes. I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt. I'm also going to do a video on how to fold towels in case you need to know how to fold a towel. So anyway, I'll show you how to do it. All right, I'm going to show you the method I was taught to fold shirts. So got a shirt here, you're going to take it by the corner tabs, okay? And then I've got to be standing up to do this, so it's faster. But you pop it, and then you bring those two tabs together. And then kind of line up the sleeves. So you should have something like that. Then you simply lay it against you, fold the sleeves in, and then boom. Drop it down. And you should be left with something like that. So, just real quick, grab it by the shoulders, pop it, grab it by the collar and where you had it before, line your sleeves up, fold those in, and then fold it down. All right, so the second method is you're going to take it. I always do it so it's facing me, then I pop it down. So I got the back of the shirt, and then you're going to grab it at the shoulder, you're going to grab it at the waist, and you're going to flip the shoulder to the collar so this is lined up. That. Come and repeat the process, shoulder to the collar, and then you're simply going to take the shoulders to the end, and you end up like that. So once you get going, it's pretty quick. I've kind of moved over to this method than the other one. I don't know why. I guess I feel like the one that always wanted to work with the buckle. Flip that there, flip that there, flip that there, and you're all done, ready to put into the shirt. So that's how to fold a t-shirt. You're welcome. Thanks for watching.